Watching $3 billion companies fight for your data budget is a bit like watching a high-stakes poker game where everyone claims they have the winning hand. You have Snowflake, Databricks, and Microsoft Fabric all shouting from the rooftops that they can do it all. They want you to believe they are the only platform you will ever need. But if you look past the glossy marketing slides, the reality is much more nuanced than any feature table suggests. Take Snowflake, for example. It is the absolute king of simplicity. You do not need a massive team of database administrators to keep the lights on. It is built for the data analyst crowd. It just works. If you have a team that knows their way around a standard query language, they are going to feel right at home immediately. You do not have to worry about managing the underlying hardware or software updates. That is a massive weight off your shoulders. Then you have Databricks. This is the heavy-duty power tool of the bunch. It was built by the same minds behind the most popular data processing engines in the world. It is the place where serious machine learning and high-level artificial intelligence actually happen. If your team lives and breathes code and complex scripts, this is their playground. But there is a serious catch to all that power. It requires heavy engineering talent. I have seen smaller teams spend months trying to build out their infrastructure only to realize they could not maintain it. They ended up migrating to a simpler system at a huge cost. That is a painful lesson to learn. It is the kind of mistake that leaves a mark on a budget for years. Now look at Microsoft Fabric. This is the ultimate consolidation play. It bundles data engineering, warehousing, and reporting into one single experience. Their technology for reading data is genuinely clever. It allows reports to stay live without that annoying refresh lag. Dashboards that used to take hours to sync are now updated in real time. It feels like magic until you see the bill. You end up paying even when the system is sitting idle. Plus, those per-user fees can sneak up on you because they often do not even appear on the main bill. The most interesting shift lately is that the whole either-or debate is becoming outdated. We are seeing full interoperability now. Thanks to new open standards for data storage, you can write your data in one platform and query it in another. No more syncing. No more duplicate copies. Most large companies are actually running two of these platforms together. It is the smartest way to build. If your core product relies on heavy artificial intelligence and custom models, Databricks is the winner. If you want reliability and zero admin overhead for your analytics, Snowflake is your best bet. And if you are already deep in the Microsoft ecosystem, Fabric is the obvious choice. The walls between these gardens are finally coming down, and that is the best news for everyone.